Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to do a Pinterest recreation video with you guys, so I wanted to recreate these little ghosties and show you how to do it. I believe the originals are made out of wood, but I decided that I was going to do it a lot cheaper and just get the foam boards from either the dollar store or go to Hobby Lobby and pick up a big one. That's what I did, and I'm just going to cut it in half. Here's the other materials you're going to need. So like I said, I'm just cutting that board right in half because I got a big one from Hobby Lobby. And I cut out shapes like this, little ghosties. I needed to sketch out the design first, so I went ahead and drew the face, and then the boy had a banner going across the chest. So I just sketched that so I know where to paint. Now going in with a black and white mixed together to make this gray, I'm going all the way around the edges, really messy, and then taking black and filling in the face. Taking a smaller brush, I went around the edges to clean it up a little bit. I kind of wish I would have went with a lighter gray, but it's okay. Now taking an orange, I just traced out the banner and colored it in. Or should I say painted it in. I wanted to darken up the triangles a little bit, so I mixed black in with my orange and just went over it. Then I took some white paint and started adding highlights. Going around the edges with a squiggly line. With black, of course. And then I'm darkening around the banner with some black. Now I'm just going to paint on Boo, but if you want to, you have the option of cutting out Boo with your Cricut. Now to make the ribbons on the side, I'm cutting out 2 strips that are about 20 inches long and are going to be 3 inches wide. And I'm cutting out 4 of those. Taking 2 at a time, we're going to put them right sides touching, so all the way around leaving an opening to turn right side out. And repeat on the other one. I just tied them into bows and hot glued them on the side of the banner. Now I need to make little hangers, so I'm taking 3 pieces of string that are 10 inches long, and I'm going to do that again so that I have enough for the other one. So again, 3 pieces of string that are 10 inches long. Tape them to a table, braid it, and then tie off the ends. I'm just hot gluing this to the back, and this is how we're going to hang them. And the boy one is done. Now the girl, the only difference is she don't have a banner and she has these cute big old cheekies. So I went ahead and did the same thing with the gray. And painted the face with black. And then started painting her little cheeks pink. Added the white highlights to her face. Her squiggly lines were a little bit different because in between each line there was like a little dot or a couple dots, so I just did that. If you make a mistake, just wipe it away with water. Lastly, for her, she needs a big old bow, so I just took a big old piece of fabric that was doubled over and put a zip tie in the middle. And then took a piece of that other fabric, the checkered, and just tied a knot in the middle. I realized the bow was way too big, so I just shortened it to about 4 inches on both sides. And hot glued it on. We had to hot glue her hanger on as well, and the girl is done. These are the cute little ghosties. I hope you guys liked this video, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up. And if you like my channel, please subscribe. I'd love to have you. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you have a wonderful day.